I never want to create fake account in Facebook again. I never be happen again next time. But for me, I'm here to public apologize for all I made a mistake, especially to Ate Dina Guillermo. I'm sorry for everyone for what I did. And that is my consequence. I know this is my fault too. Oh. But for me, I will never do that again. But I only advise to Danmar, Dayaw, not create a fake account of Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I'm just begging him. But for me, I know what my consequence was. I know I never want to do that again. But for me, I will never make a fake account in Facebook. But recently, I will never do that again. I have to stop. Because, my parents got scolded me for what I did. Lots of mess, lots of consequence. And I said, um, I know what I feel my guilt was. It will never be happen again. But if you're watching this, Ate Melcanete, I am felt apologize for what I made. Okay, I never want to do that again. But for me, I just advise to Paulo Cruzada, don't harass everyone. But I'm just gonna say, it will never be happen again. For me, I have to stop creating fake account in Facebook. But it is my fault too. It will never be happen. But I just said before, I'm here to make a public apology to everyone, especially to Ate Dina Guillermo and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. But I removed them in my enemy list. I just let them be. I don't want to get in trouble. But for me, I have to stop making fake account in Facebook because me, I have to be showing out I am good deeds was like Tanggol or even Bato de la Rosa. I said, I don't want to be happen again. But for me, I just said to my friend J. Silva, let's move on from my enemies, from our enemies. Let's move on. And I don't want too much shenanigans. Always. But for me, I just said before, I never want to do that again anyway. And it will never be happen again. I have to be good person. And I want to say in my YouTube vlog, I'm here never be happen again. Because, I should be in other school anyway, in ILCC with Ronald Rivena. Or maybe I should be in Colf, the school of Jordan Bunagan. Actually, it will never be happen again. But for me, when I heard lots of mistakes and who created Dragon, alright. Okay. Okay, she's changing clothes. Alexin is getting some. But for me, it will never be happen again. So perhaps I asked Dan Mardayaw, let's change ourselves. Let's be good. Don't be such a bad influence. But for me, I will never make fake account. Even you, Danmar. Same to you. For me, we have to be responsible. For me, when my mom scolded me, it will never be happen again. But actually, just like I said before, I have to stop making fake account on Facebook. And I said, it will never be happen again. And I apologize to Ate Dina Guillermo. And I'm here to make sincerely for what I made a mistake. But it will never be happen again. Because for me, this Paulo Cruzada create a fake group chat. He's tried to added me. I don't want to talk about Paulo Cruzada. I just want to leave him alone. I want to ignore him.